Welcome to PageTraffic. I'm Navneet Kaushan, the CEO. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new home in Noida. Join me as we take a tour of our office where each day we strive to create digital solutions that leads to our client victories. Our vision at PageTraffic is to be a forward-thinking organization delivering cutting-edge digital solutions. This office is not just a workspace, it's a hub of innovation and client success. We have grown significantly over the past 21 years, thanks to the trust and faith of our clients. This new space with its 120 plus seats in 6,000 square feet is a symbol of our commitment and our journey towards excellence. At PageTraffic, your success is our success.